I am not conflicted. I am very clear in my mind. We must work together in this broad-based government to deliver those things that are still causing confusion. We must streamline, we must communicate to the people, and people must understand that there are changes that are happening in this country. If in the agricultural sector we have made reforms, including even sugar, that for the first time Kenya is not going to import sugar. We can reform this health system through this new system to help the person at the lowest level. The problem now is with the middle class. Because of taxation, because of other issues, the middle class feel they don't have money in their pocket. That is the work that Mbadi is now given the responsibility and task to make sure that we improve the pay slip and make it better. And you give me 1 year, I will make sure that there are some changes that we are going to make in our tax laws, positive and progressive ones, to make sure that there is more money in the pockets of Kenyans, because that is now the cry. It is not something to condemn the president about. It is something to look for solutions for. If we can't pay our suppliers and contractors, we must look for ways of paying them so that there is money in the economy. There is liquidity in the economy. That is the assignment I have.